My dear friends, whenever you are tempted to say something critical, counterproductive, hurtful to someone, do me a great favor. Take a deep breath. Pause for about 10 seconds and think about what you're about to say. Words can cut like a knife, deeply. You may take seconds to say something to someone. Months later, the person is still thinking about it. The person still feels the stink of what you said to him or her. Imagine touching something hot. Months later, you still feel the stink. That is what hurtful words do. Now, when you say something critical, counterproductive, it doesn't make you smarter. It doesn't make you bold. Some people feel that when they say something, it makes them look sharp. It doesn't. Hurtful words can never make you look bold. Your words are supposed to bless others and not to destroy them. So be careful of the words you say to people. If your words won't be productive to anyone, please just keep them to yourself. Keep them to yourself. Be careful of the words you utter.